Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to set up or install Layerslider on your Classiera theme. So, if you are making your directory or listing website with Classiera theme and you wanted to easy video guideline to set up Layerslider or add slider on your website homepage, or if you are missing the Layerslider like as demo on your website, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is the website that I am making one of my clients, and looks here. I have installed a theme and set up import demo, but the slider missing here. So now I wanted to add the slider here. Okay, to do this, first I'm going to my admin panel, WordPress admin panel, and I'm going to click on the Layerslider button. Then here I'm going to click on the import project, then select the file. So just click on here. Here is the folder where I have drag and drop my Classiera theme. Open this folder, then click on the dummy content, then select the slider that you wanted to import or add on your website. So I'm going to select Relax, select the zip file Layerslider Relax latest. Click on this file to select, then click on the open. Okay, then finally click on the import project. It's taking little bit time to import this slider. By this time we can finish the tour. Welcome to Layerslider 7. So click on the star, project settings, slider list, slide and layer settings, save and publish button, customize editor layout, workspace settings, more handy tools, exit to WordPress dashboard. So click on the end tool, click on the saving, publish. Okay, we have done. Now I am going to refresh my website or reload. Wow, we have done. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant about your website, make your website, develop your website, set up anything like theme, plugins or customize, or even monthly maintenance or quick time maintenance, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.